Hello students, our today's topic is nose and smelling. Today we are going to learn all about our sense of smelling, our nose and some different kind of smells. So let's start it. Can you see the picture in the slide? There is a girl who can smell the pizza. So from where she is smelling the smell of the pizza? From her nose. So, how does it smell? Is it yummy? And what do you smell with? With your nose, obviously. And let me tell you that our nose gives us our sense of smell. Means our nose tells us that whether the smell is good or whether the smell is bad. Now, there are two kinds of smells. The smell of rubbish or garbage or all the dirty things is called unpleasant or strong smell. It is very irritating. And the other smell is pleasant, that is of a food or a flower or something good. And that is also called a light or pleasant smell. Now, we will learn about pleasant and unpleasant smells. As I told you that unpleasant smells are the smells that comes from the garbage, the rubbish or from all the dirty things. Whereas pleasant smell is a smell of food or flower. And pleasant smell is also known as a light smell that is not irritating. Whereas unpleasant smell is also known as a strong smell, and that smells are irritating. So in the slide given below, you can see that on the right hand side there are some of the things that smells really bad, that smells unpleasant, and on the left hand side you can see some of the things that smells really good and that smells pleasant. So these are the few things that smells pleasant and that smells unpleasant. You should try smelling some of the things and telling whether the smell is pleasant, whether the smell is not pleasant. Now here we have an activity or an experiment that we have to do, that you have to do at your home, which is given on page 28. Smell some of the things shown here. How do they smell? Be careful of what you smell. Now here are few things which are vinegar, chocolate, oranges, mint leaves, coffee powder and jasmine flower. Now you have to smell all of the things. You may find all of the things at your home easily. So you have to smell the following things and you have to tell how do they smell. Now we are going to start a new topic, which is tongue and tasting. In this topic we will learn all about our tongue, all about the receptors or our birds, and all about tasting and different tastes of different things. Now can you see the picture in the slide below? There is a boy licking ice cream. Have you ever licked ice cream? I have done it before, and I think the ice cream is very yummy and very sweet. But how do you know that the ice cream is sweet? This is because of our taste buds. Our tongue gives us our sense of taste. It tells us whether something tastes sweet, salty, bitter, and sour. Now we are going to learn some different kind of taste in this slide. Now, as I told you that there are some taste, and they are sweet, salty, bitter, and sour. Mean there are four kind of tastes. And in the picture below you can see honey. Honey tastes sweet. We all know that. And then The second picture is of lemon. How do lemon taste? Lemon is sour, right? What about bitter gourd? Bitter gourd tastes bitter, and that's why it is called bitter gourd. And what about salt? How do salt taste? Salt is obviously salty. So there are some kind of taste that we taste by our taste buds. As I told you that there are four kind of taste, and so there are four kind of taste buds on our tongue. And in the given picture below, you can see the different kinds of taste buds. The first one is sweet, and we feel the sweet things on our tongue at the start corner of our tongue. The second one is salty, and the area that is highlighted with yellow shows the area where we feel the salty things. The third one is sour, and the area where we feel the sour things is highlighted with green. And the fourth one is bitter, and the area where we taste the bitter taste is highlighted with blue. Now there is an exercise or activity given in our book on page 30. Try tasting some of the food below. Do they taste sweet, salty, bitter or sour? Now here we have few of the things that are butter, orange, candy, green vegetable and vinegar. Now you have to taste all of them and tell which one is sweet, which one is salty, which one is bitter and which one is sour.